Uh, hi, hi guys. Uh, Hi everyone. This will be the comment orientation for e-Yantra Robotic Competition 2025-2026. So today we'll be, taking you through our portal where you can see the theme book, upload your files, answer the quiz, and afterwards we'll go through the discussion forum where you can um, post your queries and get answers and stuff like that. So, yeah, I guess we'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we will start the session. So let's start. Yeah. So this will be the portal. This is, as all of you know, our eYRC portal. So I'll just navigate through that. You have to go click on login. Then you will be asked your ID and password. You have to put your ID and password, then click on sign in. Then you will be taken to this page. This is the home page you will arrive at when you log into your eYRC portal. So don't mind this. This is just for us. From home to the up until here, you will have all the access. So you can see your profile here, your team's profile, payment. You can see the schedule. You can click on here to join the discussion forum. You can have the link here. So coming to our main thing, which is task zero. So when you click on this task zero section, you will be greeted with a page like this. Yeah. So you will be greeted with a page like this. These are what we call theme books. So we this year we have 6 different themes, and these are what we call theme books. So whenever we mention the word theme books in discuss forum or anywhere, we mean this. These resources that we provide to you. So these are the links for respective theme books. I will go to maybe let's say drone ka theme book. Uh, you are able to see, yeah, right now I guess you are able to see. So this is how a theme book for a theme looks like. So you can see there is a welcome page, some of the quick overview of the story and stuff. This depends. Some teams will see bulletin boards like this. Deadlines are there on most of the teams. And so these are some of the discussion forum rules which you must follow. These are also posted in the discussion forum. I'm repeating this again once more in this session also, because you have to read these rules and then only post a query, because we have taken so much time and care to put up these resources. So before asking a query, you should check if the query was there or not, and like just go through these rules. We'll be telling about these rules more in some minutes, but always read through these rules and then only come and ask questions in discussion forum. So after this, we have a learning session. So this might be the structure might be different for different teams, because all the teams are worked on by a different set of developers. So here you can go through, click on this, you can go to Linux, things like that. You can navigate through here also, like this. It will go in a systemic manner. I'm just going through it so you can see everything. Some rows, concepts, stuff like that. Something about quadcopters. You can watch videos like this,
drone using a controller in,
or you can go to YouTube and watch. So whatever learning resources we have given here, you are supposed to go through it, understand it. So this will be going to be used in task one. So it's better you read from now onwards, so that when the task one actually get released, you will have a proper background of what you are supposed to do, and you can relate to certain things in task one very easily. So whichever themes you are interested in, go to their learning session and read through their resources. And just overview some control system stuff, about PAD controller, things like that. So all the team devs have given you something to read. There will be videos like this from YouTube you're supposed to check out. Then there might be some links for books or something that also you have to check out. Some image processing basics, things like that. A quick overview of about Git and how to use Git if you are storing your code and all. Ah, about this is one thing that you do need to be careful. So if you are using Git for collaboration with you in the members of your team, make sure that you make the repository private. Don't make it public. If you make it public, other people can look at your code. Then your code will be shared across different teams from different colleges, maybe, and then you will be caught for plagiarism, and it will be difficult to argue that you didn't commit plagiarism in the first place. So if you are using GitHub to store your code, or do version control or share between your own teammates, be careful that the repository should be set to private and private only. I'm again repeating that the repository should be set to private. So be careful of that. So these are some of the getting started with Git resources. You can go through it. So all the learning resources across all the teams are carefully curated by team developers from open sources, or some of the resources are created by ourselves. Like we have put time and effort to create these resources, and we have curated it nicely for you. So what we ask of all the participants is that please go through it patiently, read each and every bit of things written here, understand that, and then after that only come and ask questions. Before even going through any of the resources, you come and ask questions, then it will be difficult for us also, because most of our replies will be go and read the theme book. So if you are not following the rules we have stated, then it would be a little bit difficult. So I encourage everyone to go to the learning resources. Now we come to the competition section, stage one. Now only the task zero is live. You can click here, or click here. It's up to you. So this is a task zero of a Krishi down. It's just installation of Ubuntu 25, Rose to Humble and Gazebo Fortress. So something I have seen on discussion forum is many people are asking, I have this version of Ubuntu, can I use and can I use other things? So something you have to be careful is just read through the installation. It's clearly written. You should use this. You shouldn't use any virtual machines. You should use this correct version. Look, things are written here. Everything you need to know is specifically written here. If something is not written here, then only you come and ask the questions. I'm again repeating, everything you need to know about installation is already written here. So you have to install Ubuntu, you have to test your setup and upload a file in the portal. Then you have to familiarize with these concepts. Same concepts given here. Then you have to attempt a quiz. This I will go after I finish the empty book. I will click on this link and show you. So these are the quiz instructions. Please go through this instruction. Quiz is for 20 marks and the task 0 submission is for 80 marks. So I will quickly go through it. This is Ubuntu installation. This is for downloading Ubuntu. Each of the theme books have their own links for downloading Ubuntu. Things like this, you are supposed to pay close attention to. So here we have written, we won't entertain use of virtual machines. You are supposed to use only Ubuntu 22.0.5 because we are using those two Humble. So I have seen many queries asking, yeah, we have Rose to Jassy, I don't want to go back. But the entire theme is supposed to run on 22. If you have 24 already installed, you can, if you have Windows, let's say 11, you have Ubuntu 24 also, you can triple boot Ubuntu 22. It's a very straightforward process. So there is no need to install 24 and then again install 22 or something like that. You can triple boot. And for people who have some people, like if you were already using 22 for a long time, you must be having 22.0.4 0.43 or 4, something like that. So you don't need to wipe the entire disk and reinstall Ubuntu. You just need to run these two commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt update. It will upgrade your Ubuntu version to this latest version. That's it. So that's what this also I have seen in discussion forum. So if you had actually read the theme book, all your doubts will be solved. This is a link for installing. Follow this given link. You can see installation video and all. This is was humble installation, very straightforward. Just follow this dicto and ignition gazebo fortress installation. Then task submission. So this is mostly similar in across all the themes. Check if pip version is installed. Otherwise, you install Python pip. Then you install eYantra auto eval. Follow this command. Then run this command. When you run this command, eYantra auto eval, evaluate this thing, you will get a file. You will get a file called result 2025 KD0 2025 09 XX. So this will depend on different theme. Instead of KD, there will be CB, HB, things like that. So you can, according to your theme book, you will be receiving something like that. I am only taking the instance of Krishidrawn theme. So this kind of JSON file is the file you are supposed to upload in where your portal. So this was also a major query. I'm just taking that. And all the themes have a bonus task. You don't need to submit this bonus task. This is just for testing whether you have understood whatever is given in the learning session and just to give you an overview of what is going to come in task 1. So here we have a rows task, draw a circle using turtle sim, and the second one is just setting up your gazebo drone simulation environment. At the end, it will look like this. So whatever we have given, just follow it. And most of the errors, see, there are specific notes. If you encounter this error, you should do these things like that. So if you read this everything carefully, it will be very easy for you. And now let me take you to the quiz. So Task Zero, you can find this link, or you can find this in portal also. If I click on this, it will redirect to portal. This you all can see. I am hoping, yeah. So these are the other theme books. If you click, you can go here. This is Krishi Propdoka. Here under stage one, you can find Task Zero. Task Zero, there are installation, learning resources here. Like it will be different for different themes, but overall it is. Let's say Hollow Battalion. If you go, they have learning session like this. I think you guys was not able to see the other one. Let me see. Robot. Now you can see this was this is what I was talking about. Some teams might have a different structure, but everything is still there. Task Zero, installation, testing, learning resources are given here. So most of the things are similar only. Now, this is a button here. You can use it to go to a coding playground or of Python coding playground. You can write small Python snippets here, or you can go. You can click on this to go to a CPP playground. That's it mostly. So now let me go back to our Task Zero portal. So all these is instructions you are supposed to read very carefully. There are some prohibitions which you are not supposed to do. You should also read this very carefully. And so basically read everything given in this. And you have deadlines for each team. Now the deadline is safe for all teams, September 15th. So one advice I give you guys, like I have seen from past years participants, past is that whatever task we release, you should start on the day the task is released. Don't wait for the end time. So I've seen many people will start to do the task only towards the end, maybe 3-4 days before. Task Zero is pretty simple, but when you go to subsequent tasks, if you start at the end, and then you won't be able to complete the task. And if you ask for deadline extensions, we won't entertain that. Deadlines are hard, and if you are not able to submit by the deadline, then it's your issue. You should manage your time properly. That as soon as the task is released, if your teams are 4 members, divide the aspects or critical aspects of the task between your members. Do a proper time management and complete the task before time ends up. You can have multiple submissions in the upcoming task and all. The later submission will be considered. But the main thing is to start the task as early as possible. Don't wait towards the end. And we won't be allowing or entertaining any extension of deadlines. So this is something I wanted to inform you guys. So I will do a submission of a task. Let's say I do Krishi drone. I will be choosing a file. This is the file. When you run that e-Yantra auto UL command, I just shown, you will get a file something like this. The name will be different for different teams. You can just select it. Selected. I upload the thing. Uploaded files. I got 80 out of 80, meaning whatever I like, my system is compatible to do the entire thing. So you will get full points. So after you submit your task, the Task Zero quiz will be available. You can click on this to take the quiz. Yeah, so the quiz, I have already attempted the quiz, so that's why it is showing like that. You can click on this link and it will take you to the quiz. So first you have to upload the task, then the quiz link will appear. You just click on it and you can attend the quiz. And you can see the status of your uploaded tasks, something like this. I guess that's all about Task Zero I wanted to talk about. So if you are doing multiple themes, you should go to different of these options and then Uh, Whichever theme you want to submit, just select which theme it is and submit the files accordingly.
Okay. So now there is this. If you might have seen the website, this was not there previously. This added a few days back. So something interesting, that is Task Zero Leaderboard. So if you scroll down, you can read all the instructions which is specific to this, and it's in fact important too. So if you see, these are like the total submissions which are made by each team participants. So for Holo Battalion, there are 73 submissions, out of which these are the mark distribution. Krishi Balancer 57, something like that, and for Drone 134. So what you can do is also you can know where you are standing, but at the same time you can strategize which theme you should continue and more chances of winning. So for example, if many are participating in one theme, so of course the chance of winning will be less, but then accordingly you can submit, since you have option of submitting in two themes, and that also for task 0 as well as task 1. It would be better that you explore multiple themes and submit your best chosen two themes. It should also be according to your interest, along with your strategy. It should not be only based on winning criteria, because you have to do this for next 6 months. So make sure what you are selecting is also what you like the most. So yeah, now coming back to the very important part, that is discussion. So of course you will have so many queries. I mean, of course you are asking in the live chat as well as you are emailing. So instead of all of that, what we have done is we have created a discuss forum. So if you click on this join discussion here, if you have already logged in, you will get this same message that you are already added to the group. Please log into the discussion forum. So you can click here on the discussion forum, and that will take you to a discussion forum page. Or else it will show a prompt that how to log in and everything. So once you click on that link, you will be shared to this particular page, that is the discussion forum. So here, if you will see, there are multiple categories like common announcement and all those themes. So for example, let's go to the common announcement. You have to click here. Here there will be like all the common announcements which are made. You cannot post or ask queries here. It will be just an announcement page. So let's say for the next one, that is task zero live session details. So this is something which was posted just 1 hour back, like which of the themes will be having next dedicated live session and the time and date and everything. So now coming back, let's say, for example, if your theme is like Maze Solver bot, so you click on Maze Solver bot and you go to stage one Q&A. So it's like question answer category for stage one Q&A. So when you come here, you can see all these uh, topics. So these are called topics, where these are multiple students who have asked already the queries and stuff. So let's take one of the query. So here Bhumika has asked what path to choose in model sim and pasted a screenshot and everything. So there are other students who are answering it, but at the same time there are developers also answering it, and that's how it works. So let's say now in Maze Solver bot, you want to ask a query which is not asked till now, and you are not sure if it is something you are still having the doubt. So you can click here on new topic. So when you click here on new topic, you can just give the title, the same title as if a person is asking quiz query or something like that. I can ask submission error, something like this, and I can fill all the details. These are the screenshot. So you can attach screenshot using this upload button and write your query and then just create topic. So as soon as you create the topic, you will see your topic something like this made here. So let's actually do an example. Yeah. So now when I create topic, it will obviously it will prompt if it is less than 20 characters. So uh, let me add some random words. Yeah. So this will create a topic, and okay. So if somebody has used the same topic name, then this error might occur. So you need not to be panicked or anything. You just need to change the topic name something differently. Yeah. So now if you will see, you can see your query posted, and there are no replies. But as soon as some other student notices this particular query, they will come and help you, or also the developers will help you. So you should give some time for the developers to reply. For example, on the working days, you can expect within answers within 24 hours, but don't expect anything the answers to be quick. And that is the very reason that we were telling you that don't wait for last moment also. So since the deadline is 15 September, you can start doing now itself, and so that when you are facing any queries, you can ask. So again, for another theme, let's say Krishi Balancer, I can go to stage 1 Q&A and ask questions related to Krishi Balancer. Okay. Now, since all that is done, let me come back and show the common announcement once again. So this was all regarding the common orientation, as such as if you have task, how to post a query and all that things, and how to submit the task. And you are facing any difficulty within all those things, you can ask the query. So how to ask the query and all that is covered. Now the other thing is like, since the deadline is 15 September, we have kept some live sessions which are theme specific. Let's say you want to ask some technical questions regarding each theme. So HB, that is Holo Battalion, is conducting the live session on 3 o'clock on 4th September. So if you want to know more details about it, let's say I go to Holo Battalion and click on this. You can get you will see a topic having all the details of which theme, what is the time and the link to join. So I can show one more example, that is maze solver. So if you will see, there is a live session for task 0. You can see something similar to this kind of post in every theme. So here for maze solver bot, they have kept it as Wednesday September 3 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. and they have given the link. So at Wednesday September 3 5 p.m., you can click on the link and join the meeting and ask technical questions about where to learn more about this stuff, or when you are doing submission, you are facing some error, and some things which are very elaborated, which you are not able to express in this discussion forum. But make sure you do the task 0 before that, so that you are ready with all the questions. Because after this, there will be no longer live session for task 0. So again, let's say Krishi drone. Uh, if you go to stage 1 Q&A, you can see a live session post written. So Krishi drone is planning to do it on 4th September at 5 p.m. So here is the link and everything. So similarly, you can access for all of the themes. So that's it, I guess, for the orientation part. If you have queries, I have shown you, like we have shown you how to ask the queries regarding each of the things, like let's say discussion forum and everything. But still, if you face, like for example, when you are going to discussion forum and you are not able to uh, fill find the discussion forum, then you can put your query in help desk, that is helpdesk @e-yantra.org. So in that email ID, you can ask post the query regarding how to join the discussion forum and how to continue from there onwards. So once you are joined discussion forum, it will something look like this, and go to each of the theme, and whichever theme you want to ask the query, go to stage 1 Q&A, and there you can see all the queries, and if you want to create new topic. So I'm repeating this again, so that for all your queries, you can ask there how to do the submission, which is the theme which I should refer, if you are facing submission, if you are doing submission and it is showing some error. So all kind of things, all kind of doubts you can ask in the discussion forum. So yeah, that's it. We are happy to respond to any of your queries in the help desk as well as discuss forum. So as of now, we can end this.